1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's working. I'm recorded on all of them. The rear one's on. Let's have a look. Yep, that one's on. Front one's on.
Well, yes, it is. Until you went and did this.
Is that recorded?
Quack, quack, oops.
Yes.
We're going left, aren't we?
No, right.
Right, yeah, my left. I've got my right hand indicator on. We're out.
See, mine's showing en route.
Yeah, well, I'm on your purple line, and it's telling me 1.1 miles.
At 1 o'clock on the roundabout.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. But it's showing me going round the roundabout the wrong way.
The wrong way?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's telling
yeah.
me to go right.
So it is. I wonder if that's because this is mainly for European shit.
Probably, yes.
But then it's using the UK map, so I don't know.
Yeah, because we downloaded UK maps, didn't we?
I'm going to let this car over. Well, go on then.
Oh.
He's obviously waiting for a fucking written invitation.
They dress weird round here, don't they?
Oh, I don't know. Uni students. All
That'll be what it
hippified.
is then.
Fucking hell. She's tall.
Jesus Christ. Oh, that one, the other one's really short.
Oh no, mine on the roundabout is showing the right way. When you get to the actual roundabout, it shows to the left.
Oh yes, yeah, it's just that little wiggly line at the top where it says 0.4 of a mile. It's showing you going round and roundabout.
Now that's something different to my route app as well. If we're sat here with my route app, mine would say 0.4 of a mile. Yours would have been saying 1.2 miles, even though we're in the same spot on the same map.
And your arrow, when you stop, goes left, right, left, right, left, right, because it didn't like being stopped, did it?
No. Yeah, there's some. I mean, we've had passion killers before. These fuckers are fashion killers. The way they dress, don't they?
Yeah. Honestly, I thought it was lads in drag, some of them.
Yeah, they are definite fashion killers here, aren't they?
Definitely. Well, since I took that auto zoom off, it's a lot better.
Just look at these signs that. Oh, they had on your bike, Boris. It's got Boris Johnson on his bike. On the other one, it's got Tyson Fury hanging out the window. It says, "On your bike, you dosser." When I had my black London cab as a taxi, so I picked up it was when the Ark Royal was in Portland. Picked up a Matlow and a Wren. Yeah, I picked them out the back of the cab on the town bridge in Weymouth outside the Rendezvous Club. And I kid you not, within 100 yards of swinging round and leaving the town bridge, I looked in the mirror and her head's gone. Her head goes down. So she's obviously bloody giving him a blowjob. And we got halfway to Portland. Well, I don't know whether he spat his fat in her mouth, but she fucking spewed everywhere.
Oh,
so when I pulled up at the dockyard gate, they always had a copper on there, and I called him over. I said, she's gone down on him. He's obviously got too excited and she spewed all over my cab. He said, right, pull over there. He says, right, you two, out. He says to the bloke, over there, you'll find a bucket, a mop. And he made him clean it out, and the copper turned around and he said, leave your meter running.
Nice one.
Yeah, so he made him clean it out.
It sounds like they're used to it, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, the coppers on the gate were good as gold.
Yeah.
You know, and then, like, the next day, he'd have probably been on a charge at Matlow. And her.
More than likely, yeah. Well, the missus went down and picked Nipper up from there. And she pulls up at the gate.
See, that's not the thing to say, Steve. When I've just been on about a bird giving a bloke a blowjob, and then you say, my missus went down. You bastard. Don't you fucking choke on it.
Well, it's sort of working its way through the town, no problem at all, isn't it?
It's so far, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't jinx it.
Did say so far,
but
that's told me I'm off route because we've just gone through one of your waypoints. Yeah.
Come on, then. Come on. Go on, neighbour. Over you go. See, am I being kind today, look?
You are, yeah. Very unnerving.
Look at it, Royal Bath Hotel. They got the doorman stood outside. Normally do.
Doorman?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Normally out there with his top hat on.
I don't do posh hotels like that.
See, just up round here, we'll go past the Bic.
Yeah.
There, look, that big building there. That's where I was given all the COVID jabs.
Oh, was it?
They set that up as a mass vaccination centre, so you had a queue of people in, all feeding through their system and then out the other side. Go on, then, out you come. Yeah, in your own time. Right, straight over.
You're nice, but you're not that nice.
That's the downside with these maps. They don't tell you where the speed cameras are, do they?
I haven't noticed it yet.
Nah.
I haven't seen anywhere on settings where you can enable or disable it.
Nah, I mean, that would be something that, you know, for them to add. Because there must be a speed camera database that they can just load into it.
Yeah. Well, they are. You can email them, and they do that within a week.
Yeah.
Because they seem to listen, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Look at this place, look, very Art Deco. See
it looks like a bloody ship's funnel, doesn't it?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, from the end, it looked like a ship's funnel, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's some money round here, isn't there?
Oh, yes. Especially when you drop down the Sandbanks in a minute.
Oh, fuck me.
What I want to do one day is park up the other side and put the drone up and follow the ferry across.
Yeah. What, from Studland side?
Yeah.
See, when you look at the history of Sandbanks, it was just dodgy old sand dunes with a few bungalows on it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it was one estate agent turned it round, hyped it up, and started selling stuff for a fortune, didn't he?
Yeah.
But you know, for someone to market a crumbling old sandbank that's moving,
Yeah.
Constantly shifting, into convincing people to buy multi-million-pound homes there, genius, wasn't it?
Oh, wasn't it? Wasn't it just? Should we?
Yeah. It's a big avenue, isn't it? There's plenty of room, isn't there? Not going to get an Arctic up through here, are we?
Nah. I'll move over.
Thank you, sir. We're so polite, aren't we, to each other?
Yeah.
Apart from the piss taking.
Fuck everybody else.
That last video, I was wetting myself again. We do give each other some shit, don't we?
I can't remember what that one was. What was it?
It was the one where you two were taking a piss out of me.
Never.
And I joined in taking a piss out of me and realised that I shouldn't be doing that.
Gotta have a giggle.
Oh, yes. And no one gets offended.
Oh, hello. Ding dong. Someone was saying Harry Redknapp's place, it's one, oh fuck's sake, Sandbanks.
Yeah.
He's, the one he was in, he's having another one built just down the road a bit. Like a new one. And
Yes.
I presume he'll flog his old one.
Yeah, I think he did the same. He bought a house down the road and then knocked it down.
And do you know what amazes me is, as affluent as it is here, with how much money is here, in there is St Anne's Mental Hospital.
Oh, lovely.
Or sorry, Psychiatric Hospital. Got to be politically correct, haven't we?
You mean a loony asylum?
That's the one. Years ago they were called the loony bin, weren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, or the madhouse. Yeah.
There we go.
There we go, Brownsea Island. It's about 200 yards down this way where our road tax goes up, isn't it? It costs extra for everything down here, even breathing, doesn't it?
Tide's well out, look.
Yeah, we used to bring our old lab down here for a swim.
Yes, it is lovely around here, isn't it? But crazy, crazy money to live here.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind one of the smaller islands in the harbour. You know, I know you can't get to them when the tide's out, but that means no one can get to you either, which is good, isn't it? Be a bit of a bugger planning your rides though, wouldn't it?
See, look, all of these, look, as the houses come up for sale, they knock them down and build all this, don't they?
Yeah.
I mean, look at that one, look.
I keep looking anyway because I want to look, but I've got no chin camera, have I?
Oh no.
Oh, we in Totteno. Just too late.
What's that? Yeah, he's just going soon.
Yeah.
He's coming back. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Go on. Coming or not?
Oh, he's going to stay in that bloody hatch line, isn't he?
Better go and get... Oh, they do it on the... Are they collecting on the boat?
Well, it says toll collector.
I bet you can't put, like, get 2 tickets with 1 payment. There's a machine here, but I don't know whether that's for the car park. Oh, what a tosser. Had to stop right away, didn't he? I'm filming the ferry and the bell end stops right there. Just hoping, because when I took the camera off, it wasn't recording. So I'm hoping I set it recording.
Nope, you didn't.